Are you curious to see what success looks like in the world of professional drone operations for development, surveying, and mapping? Look no further than Geoinfotech, your gateway to becoming a professional drone pilot. At Geoinfotech, we specialize in training students like you to become experts in professional drone operations for surveying, mapping, and development projects. We provide hands-on training, cutting-edge technology, and the knowledge you need to excel in this rapidly growing field, such as introduction to drone technology, hands-on practical on drone flight, pre-flight and post-flight checklist, how to process, analyze, and model data for surveys and infrastructure development. Imagine being at the forefront of development, ensuring efficient and accurate mapping with the power of drones. That's what you can achieve with Geoinfotech. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your career. Contact us today to learn more and get started on your journey to becoming a professional drone pilot.